Hey everybody, working on a little algebra 2 here, doing lesson 2-1, first problem that is assigned at least at the time of this recording, 2-1, and we've got this other number that sometimes helps me. It's 2.1.13. All right, so when I'm working on this problem and we've got this parabola, the graphing form here, hopefully you remember how this works. And that is that the H is the left and right movement and it's backwards from what we think. And the K is up and down. And it goes the way that we would think. So if I'm looking at this problem over here and I see my vertex up here, the -2, 13, that gives me x plus 2. Again, the left and right is backwards attached to the x. The up 13 is the way it normally goes. And then they have sometimes this stretch factor a that they show here in this form. And that stretch factor, one way you can do it is normally for the first point, you go over 1 and up 1. This is down, so hopefully you also recall when we've talked before that means we've got a negative out here. And it does look like it goes over 1 and down 1. So this would be a 1. The other way that most often is explained you can do that is you take another point, in this case, I'd use the 0, 9, put the zeros in place of the x, the 9 in place of the y, and solve for a to see if there's a stretch factor, because that would give us 9 equals a. 0 plus 2 is 2 squared would be 4, and then plus the 13. So subtract the 13 over is a -4. We have this 4a here divided by the 4. And indeed, we do end up with a being -1. So putting that equation in right now, if we put that in, that would give us the answer here. I can find my mouse zipping around on the screen here. I will end up with -1, and the x plus 2 quantity squared, x plus 2, close my parentheses, shift caret or 6 to put it in the exponent. I think there's one other keystroke that does that also. The shift and up arrow will, I think, do the same thing. And it's a squared up there. Arrow to the right. I think I might have messed that up. I feel like I've got 2 exponents up there right now. Let me get out of there. Shift up arrow to get into the exponent works as well as addition to the caret, shift 6. A squared, arrow to the right to get out of the exponent. We had a plus 13. Let's see how we did. Scroll down. Check your answer. That's all there is on that one. So hopefully you're good there. Good luck.